Hello and welcome guys. In today's video we're gonna talk about Sensible Finance releasing Sensi Locking. It's finally here. It released yesterday on a Sunday, and we're gonna go through the website, how it looks like, and I'm gonna explain how to lock your Sensi. So first of all, what is Sensi Locking? It's basically like the staking that you have witnessed in version 2 or version 1 of Sensible Finance, but they decided to call it Sensi Locking so you wouldn't be getting confused with smart staking, right? There's gonna be two different systems, and Sensi Locking basically takes your Sensi, locks it for a period of time, so you get rewarded with more Sensi and prevents you from selling off your Sensi. That way we get more holders, and then people are more encouraged to smart stake their BNB and increase the amount of Sensi that is being held, right? Those two systems are going to be working hand in hand. Currently all we have is Sensi Locking, but smart staking will be releasing soon, as they are putting the full power into working that out and releasing that as soon as it's ready. Let's go over the website that we can see. It is looking great, to be fair. Very clean design, and I'm gonna leave a link in the description. On the right we can see a leaderboard that is currently not active as well. BNB smart staking balance, that's not active as well, but it will be all coming soon, and I'm gonna make a video once it does. But let's focus on the Sensi Locking for now. As you can see in the top right corner, I have connected my wallet, and you can connect your wallet as well, whether you're using MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or whatever it might be. That's where you go to connect your wallet in the top right section of Sensi Locking, and you're gonna get this pop-up. How many Sensi do you want to lock in? The locking period is 28 days, and the rewards are distributed daily. As you can see here, it is currently at 0.35% daily reward distribution, but that is going to change. I believe they have an idea to add more plans rather than it just being one plan for 28 days, but we're gonna have to wait for that, for the updates in Telegram, to see if that's actually true. I might just be speculating here. And the reward pool is at 0.35%, as I have mentioned, but that should be changing. It might be lower, it might be higher. That depends on smart staking, and that depends on Sensi value, right? When the percentage is decreasing, you are receiving less tokens, but if Sensi value goes up, then obviously the dollar amount that you are receiving is still going to be the same. So to stake the amount of coins, we want to type in the number that we have. As you could have seen in my dashboard, I currently have 300 billion Sensi. I think the value is off, because currently 1 million Sensi tokens is about 3.5 cents, so it should be at about 9 or 10,000 or so. So if we go into Sensi Locking, I want to stake about half. I think I'm gonna go with half. I don't want to stake all of it right now, just in case I need to take some out for smart staking or anything else, but just for the instructional purpose, I'm gonna show you how to do it. So we go 150 and just type in the amount of zeros that we need. So that should be 150 billion Sensi being staked. Let's go to approve. Do you want to allow? It's gonna cost me 12 cents. Wow, what a deal. And that should have gone through. So it took like a minute or two, but you can see here that I have locked my 150 billion Sensi. The earned amount is currently at 0. Obviously it's gonna increase every single day, and the redemption date is 28th of June. Now you can extend or you can redeem your rewards. You can redeem them daily, I believe, and there should be no fee on those tokens that you redeem. So it is free to stake your Sensi, and you can get your rewards without paying any extra fees. Now this is where they want to keep the customers in. So the ultimate plan is to release smart staking, where you're going to be locking your BNB. Then the amount that you earn from smart staking is going to be paid out in Sensi, and then that Sensi that you earn, instead of selling it, you can lock it and get even more rewards from Sensi Locking, right? So external currencies are going to be brought into the system using BNB smart staking to start off with. Then the amount of Sensi getting bought is also going to be increasing as a reward from the smart staking, and there shouldn't be as many sales going on because people are going to lock the Sensi, right? So the increase in price should be quite steady. Less supply to sell and more Sensi being bought due to smart staking. So that's what we are waiting for smart staking. But this video hopefully was helpful to show you how to lock your own Sensi and the rewards that are coming with it. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for the YouTube algorithm. Leave me a comment down if something is unclear, and every single link should be in the description or in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one.